Hey guys, welcome back to Sadie's World. I'm Sadie. So today I'm going to show you how to make really cute DIY headbands. So, these ones are really cute, but my favorite ones are, I love these ones. They're so cute and fuzzy. I'm going to show you how to make these ones very easy and these ones with supplies that you have at home in this video. So stay tuned till the end. I have a very special message for you. So,
Headband 1, fuzzy ears. So if you're wondering why I said that, it's because today we are making headbands. Yay! So what you'll need is a headband and some yarn. And basically you're just going to make a pom-pom, which is pretty easy. If you don't know how to do that, look it up on YouTube, I guess. I don't know. I don't have a tutorial, but I'm sure YouTube has plenty. And yeah, you're just gonna keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until you reach the end of your yarn. And then you're just gonna cut off and then cut off a piece. That way you can tie it around the pom-pom. And don't do what I did. I was trying to do the fancy thing where, you take like a fork. If you make pom-poms with a fork, I don't know if you guys have done that before, and you put the string through the little prongs and then tie it. I was trying to do that kind of thing with my fingers. Didn't work out very well. So yeah, don't waste your time like I did. Just tie it normally. Finally, good job, Sadie. You did it. Okay. Now just tie the knot, and now you're gonna very tediously cut through all the loops. This took a long time. Thankfully, through the power of editing, it only takes like 20 seconds. So I'm just gonna speed that up a little bit. That way you don't have to watch, the full half hour. I'm just kidding. There you go. You have a pom-pom. Now all you need to do is fluff it up a little bit like I'm doing. Put it on the headband and you're done. Thank you. Thank you. Just kidding. I went to go get a plastic bag because for this next part, we are going to be trimming the pom-pom. Make it all fluffy and together in one. It feels so good. I love pom-poms. So yes, now you're just gonna, cut all the little yarn bits. Yeah, this took like 7 minutes, honestly. It was so long. So, make 2 of those through the power of editing. And now you can place them on the headband and see what they are going to look like. So now I have really bad lighting right here, and we're just going to glue on the pom-poms. I'm trying to get a tripod, that way, it will look a lot better when I'm doing, the crafting and stuff. But for now, you'll just have my setup, which is a box and a soup can. Anyway, so enough with that being said, push that chair out of the way and do a modeling shot. Don't know why I kept turning to the side. Headband 2, cat ears. So now we are going to take a marker, I'm using a highlighter, and trace around this leaf shape thing. It's like a leaf shape, except both sides are pointy. It's an oval, but yeah, pointy sides. Okay, anyway, and then just cut that out. So yeah, put that on to the headband and see how it looks. Does it look good? Does it look bad? Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna get a bigger one because the other one didn't really fit. And do the same thing I just did. Cut around. And now you should have two similar, not identical, because nothing's identical except for twins, but anyway, now you should have two similar pieces of felt. So yeah, I'm just gonna trim it up a little bit. Feel free to, if it doesn't look very good, trim it up, make it look amazing. Yeah, now you should have two cat ear shapes. Although make sure the hot glue is heated up all the way, because when I tried to put my cat ear on, the hot glue dried before I could, put it on, so I had to peel that off, which was very hard actually. So yeah, I just hot glue those, and my camera died, so yeah. But this is how it turned out. I think this one turned out really cute.
Oh, well, thank you guys so much for watching. That was really fun to make. If you want more DIY things, give this video a thumbs up. Also, very special announcement I have to make. I am trying to get to 50 subscribers. And if we get to 50 subscribers by August 15th, then I will do a very, or earlier, then I will do a very, very special video. And I have one planned, and it's super special, and it's gonna be so fun. So yeah, you wanna see that? Make sure to subscribe and tell all your friends to subscribe. That way you get to see it sooner. Oh yes, I really wanna do this video.